Hello everyone. Last time we looked at what tools are in Photoshop. And now today we want to see one of them, like a move tool. The move tool shortcut is V. This tool delivers an amazing level of functionality. It's capable of interacting with any object in your document. And that allows you to achieve results almost as easily as cutting real objects by hand and moving them around in the actual world. Just about any object that's identifiable with the Photoshop interface can be manipulated by the move tool, including text boxes, selections, pasted objects, entire layers, and many more. Actually, you can use the tool of move to drag elements from one Photoshop document to another. It's a simple drag and drop process. The move tool is also designed to interact with 3D objects. You can use the tool to rotate your 3D objects in any direction or relocate the objects in 2D space relative to other elements in the image. Let us now open some images for utilization of move tool. Select the newly opened images and drag them aside. And now select your move tool and to drag with the move from the image number 1 to your file and from image number 2 to your file. Now I will delete the original files. And now if you want to increase the size of the images, just to click on Control and T for transform, or go to edit menu and click on transform or free transform tab to increase the size of the image. So just to drag and drop from the corner to increase your picture size accordingly, and to click on enter to freeze the area. Now this is our second image, and Control T for transform and drag and drop from the corner for the proportionate images, and to enter, click on enter for the finalization. And using the shift key you can decrease the image with the unproportionate version. Escape is for cancellation. Using move tool, we can now move any image from one place to another. Auto select is also a good option. Using the auto select, layers to be selected automatically after clicking on images. After that, now in the next part, we will look at the next tools as well as how layers work.